Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock your notes with a passcode over on the Evernote app. So if you want to do this, all you need to do is open the Evernote app just like this, and basically once you've done that, what you can simply do is go and head over to the bottom left corner of your screen at those three little stripes, and then head over to the top right corner of your screen at that settings icon. And once you've done that, basically all you need to do is click on passcode right here, click on enable passcode or require passcode, and then you need to type in your password. It doesn't really matter what the passcode is, of course. And once you've done that, you will basically automatically set up a passcode, and you can also change your passcode right here. And what you can also do is lock it with a Face ID if your phone basically has that. But yeah, that's basically how you can lock Evernote notes over on the Evernote app basically. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.